Alright, you got the Fiskars micro tip pruning shears 2-pack. Two's better than one, right? Kind of affordable too, so it's a no-brainer. I like this thing. It slides back. Just take your one out and you're good to go. Has a nice protective cover on it. A little blade you peel back and it opens them up. What I like about these grips are the nice soft rubber. They're good for arthritic hands like my own. I use large grips on my golf clubs because of that. They're spring loaded, so when you snip, it automatically comes back out, and these non-stick blades help keep things from getting jammed up and stuck in there. All right, let's go cut up a tomato plant. I'm ready to go. All right, so I got this tomato plant. It's the end of the season. Let's just start at the little guys and see how easy this stuff cuts. Right here at the bottom. Nothing, easy. It's like cutting through butter. If I wanted to precision cut this little guy right here, right at the tip, easy to do. Look when we cut this little guy right here. Easy. Let's just go down this whole tomato plant. Let's get to the larger part right here. It's the end of the season. This guy's not going to produce anymore, so here we go. Easy. Just cuts like butter. Look at this old dead plant here. Nothing to it. Let's see how it cuts this big giant stalk right here. Easy. I was cutting that with the tips too. Let's cut this guy off right here. Nice cut. Any type of cut you want. Look at that. Very nice. Put some of this dead stuff away. Rid of that. It's no good. It's after the plant too, so yeah, these things are awesome. So something like this would be great for somebody with arthritis or hand pain, someone that's looking for precision cuts from a precision blade, or just for that gardener in your life. Great for everyday use, great for everyone. So check out the micro tip pruning shears by Fiskars.